Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. This is a new video on the market outlook for the coming week. Markets are very volatile and in favor of bears. Market is bearish, but was bearish last week. We need to see how we think the market will be next week in the analysis. But yes, till now the markets have been bearish. One of the reason why that is happening is because there is a fear in the market because of Omicron, and the other factor is the FII selling is huge. December has been a heavy month in the side of sellers. FIs have been net sellers, so the market is looking was looking bearish because of the reason FIs have been selling big time. So what we will do is we will analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty, and then we will look at the stocks which I think are going to be good from here. Personally, I am not trading very much. I'm not using a lot of capital because the markets are pretty volatile because of the Omicron news which comes. Someday there is a positive news when you think, oh, there is some positivity, but the other day there is some negative news and the trend changes the next day. So the best thing to do is cut down the capital usage and be cautious and trade in a cautious manner. So, before we jump on, let's look at the outlook and what I think Bank Nifty, Nifty, and the stocks which I'm looking out for the next week. So, firstly, let's look at the charts of Nifty. So Nifty, if I go in the monthly charts, the last time we came and did the analysis, I had talked about this trend line which Nifty had respected this whole while in this bull run. But we broke off out of that trend line. So if we go in the weekly charts, we broke out of that trend line, but then we tried and attempted, and I had said that if we have to be bullish, we need to cross this trend line, which is around 17,600. But we went there and took resistance and came back from there. So that means that this is a resistance for Nifty. So now the important levels is not all-time highs. The first important level wherein we need to reassess the trend is 17,600. Whenever the market goes there, you need to see how the movement is, because 17,600 looks like a good resistance. Three times around that levels last 3 weeks we've seen a dip from that level. People start thinking that we are bullish, and then they take positions which are bullish, but then what happens is the market comes down, and on the lower side the market came down till 16,782. So for me, the important level tomorrow or the coming week is 16,700. So 16,700 is the important level, which is 285 points down. So I don't see a big fall which will come in the markets. We need to assess the Omicron news as well, but I don't see a big downside from here. I think the market is going to turn sideways, and sideways the range will be 17,600, from 17,600 to 16,700 on the downside. So 16,700 till 17,600 we can play this range in the market. So the important level which I am looking at is 16,700 downside and 17,600 on the upside. So personally, I wouldn't take a lot of short positions here. When it comes to 16,700, I will assess what is happening at that point. Then the next chart is of Bank Nifty. Same Bank Nifty fell till 35 300 levels. So I think 35,300 is the important level we need to look at. But I think the first major support the market will get if we don't open with the big gap down tomorrow. So the important level for me on the downside is 35,500 and 35,300. So the first support the market can get is 35,500. And on the upside, same, we broke out of this trend line which is in the weekly. So for me, the resistance, the big resistance for the coming week is 37,600. But I think for the coming week we will face one resistance at 36,000 and then at 37,000 upside. So the big resistance is now 36,000 and then 37,000 for upside. So 36,000 and 37,000, and I think 36,000 if is possible to get broken if we go up from here, because there are a lot of shorts in the market, and once we uh, turn bullish in the short term, these shorts are going to get trapped and they will need to cut down their positions, exit their positions, and that might be a short covering. So there might be a good momentum on the upside, but lower side 35,500 and 35,300 is the important level. Now let's look at 4 stocks which I'm looking at. So this is a triangle, symmetrical triangle, which Titan has formed, and on Friday as well we came and took support and came up from those levels. So there was a downside and then we came up from 2250 level. So for me 2250 is a support. If we don't break this level, then we are going to test 2400 in the coming week in Titan. So 2400 downside, important level is 2250 and upside is 2400. So the risk to reward on this trade, if we show some bullishness, then we might be heading towards 2400. That is a good risk to reward. The next stock is HDFC Bank. I think this stock has corrected pretty well, and I would suggest you to start buying the stock for your long-term portfolio. This is a quality bank, the top bank of India, and I think this is a good stock to add to your portfolio. So don't take it for swing trade or anything, just add to your portfolio. So this is a long-term investment, because we have respected this trend line quite well, and if we respect this trend line and if we go for an upside from here, then I think this is eventually, this stock in long term will again test its highs, but we don't know when that's going to happen. But it's good that we are getting this stock at a discount because of all the selling which is happening, and then this is a good opportunity for you to buy the stock. The next stock is PVR, another stock which I would say is good for long-term investment. So this stock, if you see this trend line, it came once, twice, and then third time if it comes around 1250 or 1230, then you buy it for long term. This is also a long term. Add to your portfolio for long term investment. Add to your portfolio for long term investment. The next stock, this is for trading. I think Oberoi Realty is looking good. So the stock, if it comes towards 800, around 800 is a good buying zone. And keep stop loss according to your risk appetite and buy. And I think it will go towards 900, 950 levels if it sees some bullishness from here. Next is gold. Gold has dipped pretty well. The good support range is around this level. 1760 is a good area where there is a support, and on the upside the bullishness can be seen above 1820. So 1820, if it crosses, then good bullishness and might be heading towards 1860 again. And on the downside, the 1760 level is a good support. So 1760 to 1820 is a consolidation area, and which if it breaks on the upside, then it is going towards 1860 levels again. Silver on the other side, last time as well, when it came down, I made a video, and when it came down, I told you to buy around these levels, and then it went from $21 till $25.3. That is a gain of 16%, and again we are at that trend line, and it is respecting that trend line. So silver is also looking good for buying, and your target will be $25 from here, and that will be a good jump, 15-16% jump from here. So we've talked about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Titan, PVR and HDFC Bank for your long-term portfolio. Then we have Oberoi Realty and gold and silver both looking good for more upside. So this was my analysis and my outlook for the coming week. Do subscribe to the channel and do hit the like button. See you in the upcoming videos.